Okay, I have the Camp Chef Woodwind SG with the sear box, and I'm going to do my first time. I'm going to clean this out. I've cooked about 4 times on it, 5 times maybe, and I'm going to go ahead and vacuum it out. I've pulled the louvers out, knock those off. I'll probably brush those off a little bit, but they're not too bad. And then, as you can see inside, I've already started vacuuming off. I thought I'd show a before and after. So over here I vacuumed, here I haven't, and then I'll show you here in just a second what it looks like when you empty the bottom. So this model here, as you can see, has some ash left, and you see that bar right there in the middle. I've got a lever down below on the outside, and I just pull that and it just dumps all the ash out, which makes it really nice. I don't have to vacuum this thing out as often as you do some of the others. So I'm going to finish vacuuming this out, and then I'm going to get ready to cook something up. Okay, I have spent about 5 minutes vacuuming out the lion's share of items from the previous cooking. You can see that I've got nothing down there in the ash pot except more pellets ready to come out. And like I said, this took about 5 minutes, so it's really no big deal. Getting ready to cook again.